how's it going, everybody? Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. I want to start off by just thanking everyone who subscribed so far. You guys are the best. And if you're new to this channel, I hope you enjoy this video. And this video is actually going to be a quick one, and it's all about One UI 4.1, and specifically the One UI 4.1 that's going to get released on the Galaxy S21 series and older Samsung devices. The Galaxy S22 series lines of phones, they were actually released with One UI 4.1. Judging by the features that those phones have, we can guess the type of features that might be included in the Samsung 4.1 update for other phones. So one of the features, and probably the feature that I'm most excited about because I like cameras. If you guys are familiar with Samsung's Pro mode and you have a Galaxy S21 or an S20, you're probably aware that the Pro mode only works with 2 of the lenses. It doesn't work with all of the phone's lenses. Now, I have the S21 Ultra right now, and that means 2 of the lenses do not get utilized by Pro mode. Now, if Samsung decides to do the same thing that they did on the Galaxy S22 line of phones, these phones already have Pro mode support for both video and camera for every lens. So if they decide to do the same thing, then we could see the same feature on older devices as well once they get updated to One UI 4.1. And yeah, just having Pro mode on all the lenses would be awesome, because right now I can't use the telephoto lenses in Pro mode, which kind of sucks. Also, another feature is better integration with social media apps. As you all know, Android phones have a bad reputation for the quality of the video in certain third-party apps like Snapchat and Instagram, etc. And it's actually like a bragging point for iPhone users. So I really hope that they better integrate One UI 4.1 with these apps. Apparently the Galaxy S22 features have already been well integrated. I don't know, I've never tested them myself, but we're gonna see how that goes, because yeah, I'm really tired of listening to iPhone fanboys brag about how much Android sucks. No, I'm just joking. But yeah, so I just wanted to talk about those 2 new features. There's going to be a host of other features as well, but since this is just an incremental improvement of One UI 4.0, it's not like it's not a new version of Android or anything. So there's not going to be too many new improvements or too many new changes. They're just improving what One UI 4.0 already is. So that's it, guys. Thumbs up the video if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you're into these type of technology videos. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.